This is a video introducing the key features of BtcLink Wi-Fi Sub-1G Smart Meat Thermometer Unlimited Range. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of BtcLink Wi-Fi Sub-1G Smart Meat Thermometer Unlimited Range. Unlimited range Wi-Fi monitoring. Cook great food without babysitting the grill. Stop hovering over your smoker. With true unlimited range Wi-Fi, you can check temps from anywhere walking the dog, hanging with family, or enjoying a sunrise on the beach. The app sends instant alerts when your food hits the perfect temp, so you get more time back for life. Smart base with a big, easy-to-read display. Use your phone only, if you want to. Short cooks don't need an app. Our smart base gives you fast, clear temp readings in seconds. Keep it on the counter, in the living room, or out on the patio and monitor your cook at a glance. When you're doing long, slow barbecue sessions, simply switch to the app for full remote control. Industrial-grade Sub-1G wireless 10 to 30x the range of regular Bluetooth. Most thermometers still rely on unstable Bluetooth. We don't. Our industrial-grade Sub-1G wireless tech delivers rock-solid performance and dramatically longer range. No dropouts, no lost connections, just reliable monitoring anywhere around your home. The difference is night and day. 7 NIST-certified sensors, more accurate temps from the inside out. With 7 precision sensors, you get a full temperature picture, ambient heat plus 6 internal depth readings for spot-on doneness every time. Every session is automatically saved, helping you repeat your best cook's steaks, brisket, turkey, you name it. Smart App Assistant flip alerts, doneness guides and multi-device notifications. Our smart algorithm tells you when to flip, how much time is left, and helps you hit your exact doneness level. Alerts pop up on your base, phone, and smartwatch. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned peat master, the app keeps your cooking simple and spot-on. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.